Good morning everyone. This is Akash Chaursia and today I am going to start our new topic. The name of the topic is median. ठीक है बेटा, तो median क्या कहता है कि the middle value of the data is known as the median of data. But firstly we arrange the observation of the data in ascending or descending order. That's why I write here कि after arranging the observation of the data. Median is what? The middle value of the data is called median. The middle value of the data is called median. But firstly, we arrange the observation of the data in ascending. After arranging the observation of the data in ascending or descending, arranging observation of the data in ascending or descending. Arranging का सेंस यही है, ascending और descending. In ascending or descending. अब ये मीडियन जो है किसी डाटा को एक ट्राइजिस दे रखा है कि your friends found the median and the mode of the given data describe and correct your friends error if any. तो एक हमें ट्राइजिस दे रखा है, उसमें कुछ ऑब्जर्वेशन दे रखा है, उसका मीडियन फाइंड किया और मोड फाइंड किया. तब मीडियन एक्सप्लेन करने हम जा रहे हैं. मीडियन के बाद आपको बताना होगा कि ये जो इनका ऑब्जर्वेशन है, इनके जो भी इनके कोई फ्रेंड्स सॉल्व किए उसका वो ऑब्जर्वेशन सही है या गलत. तो मीडियन के लिए सबसे पहले हम एक एग्जांपल लेके समझते हैं. नाउ लेट अस एग्जांपल फॉर मीडियन ऑफ द डाटा. लाइक find the median of the data 24, 36, 46, 17, 18, 25 and 35. We have to find the median of this data. Now solution. Firstly we arrange the data, the given data. हम मीडियन फाइंड करेंगे. क्या करेंगे? पहले जो डाटा दिया हो उसको क्या करेंगे? अरेंज करेंगे. यानी कि फर्स्टली वी अरेंज द गिवन डाटा इन असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. असेंडिंग ही कर लिया जाए, असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ascending order. We get for ascending. Firstly we let the smallest value of the data. So the smallest value of the data is what beta? 17, and just greater of 17 is what in this data? Just greater of 17 is what in this data is 18, and just greater of 18 is 24, and just greater of 24 is 25, and just greater of 25 is 35, and just greater of 35 is 36, and after that 46. Here number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. According to the definition, the middle value of the data is called median. The here middle value is what beta? Middle value here number of observation. Yeah, first here right. Number of observation जिसे हम n से रिप्रेजेंट डिनोट करेंगे. नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन n इज इक्वल टू व्हाट बेटा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ठीक है, दैट इज ऑड. ठीक है, तो हाफ ऑफ द 7 जस्ट वैल्यू, फोर्थ वैल्यू. तो मीडियन जो हो जाएगा, मीडियन इज व्हाट बेटा? n plus 1 by 2 th term. What beta? N की प्लेस में 7, it is odd. अब here n is what बेटा 7, तो 7 plus 1 upon 2th term is what बेटा 4th term. The 4th term is what 25. 4th term is what 25. So median is what beta 25. So median of this data is what beta 25. मीडियन दो तरीके से डिवाइड हो सकता है. व्हाट फर्स्ट वाज इफ द नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन n इज ऑड. नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन जैसे अभी हमारे पास नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन कितने थे 7 है. 7 है. हियर अगर नंबर ऑफ 7 इज व्हाट ऑड 9 11 13 15 17 19 21 ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ 25 आर ऑड ऑब्जर्वेशन. So for odd observation, median formula of the median is what beta n plus 1 upon 2th term. Firstly, we arrange the data in ascending order and find the value of n plus 1 by 2th term. So the value of n plus 1 upon 2th term is called the median of that data. And if the number of observation n is even, then the median is what beta n by 2th n upon 2th plus n upon 2 plus 1th का मीन फाइंड करेंगे. मीन ऑफ n by 2th plus n by 2 plus 1th term is what beta median of the data. So now solve the exercise. We are going to solve exercise 3.2. question number first is what beta कि the score, question number first is what the scores in a mathematics test out of 25 of 15 student. It means there are 15 students and the question paper, total number of question paper is what beta 25. ठीक है. Student is as follows. Is what beta the observation is what observation was 19 25 23 29 20 15 10 5 16 25 20 24 12 and 20. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 11 12 13 14 15. ठीक है. On arranging the data in ascending order we get. तो आफ्टर इसको अरेंज करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिल रहा है. तो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में क्या सबसे पहले क्या लेंगे, सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू इज व्हाट बेटा 5. आफ्टर दैट 5 just greater than 5 is what beta 9 and just greater than 9 is what beta 12. just greater than 9 firstly 5 9 12 after that 15 after that 15 after that 20 is what, how many times of 20 comes out, 1 2 3 and 4 20 and after that 20 it's 19 arrange 19 then after 20 16 19 after that 20 how many times it comes out, 24 times, 4 times 20 and after that 23 24 and and 25 to 10. 25 and 25. Here number of observation and is what beta? 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 10 हमने अरेंज नहीं किया, क्या हो जाएगा? 10 and 12. That is odd. This is odd. 15 is odd number. So median is what beta? So median is what? Median is what beta? N plus 1 upon 2th term. N is what? 15. So 15 plus 1 upon 2th, that is 8th term. Or 8th term is what beta? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th term is what? 20. तो यही हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? मीडियन. तो क्या हो जाएगा? मीडियन इज व्हाट बेटा? 20. अब इसी क्वेश्चन में एक वैल्यू बोला है बेटा कि मॉड भी फाइंड करना है, मॉड ऑफ दिस डाटा. द मोस्ट फ्रीक्वेंट वैल्यू इज मॉड. तो हियर maximum number of time, which number is come out maximum number of time? The 20 is come maximum number of time in this data. So mod is what beta? Mod is what? 20. Mod is what? 20. Question में एक और क्वेश्चन कहता, are they same? Yes. Are they same? Yes. Median and mod are same in this data. Now next question of this exercise we solve in next video. Thank you class.